Luigi, guess what? What, Mario? I really want to know. Please tell me. Yeah, it's going to be super cool. Let's go to sleep. What? Kidding me? Oh, God. Okay, good night, Mario. Good night, Luigi. Oh, Mario. Sleeping is so annoying. Oh, I can't sleep. Really? Oh. Oh my God, that's it. I'm going to another room. Oh, well, what? That's not. Almost got caught. That's it. I'm going to another room. I mean, I gotta stay in this room though. Mario will get mad. Guess I'll just sleep on the freaking floor. God. Oh! God dang it! God dang it! Man, I can't sleep. Man, Mario won't shut up. Shut up! God. Oh my God. What's going on? Oh, hey, miss. Oh, Barney. Sorry, I'm tired. What the heck is going on? Why is he snoring and why are you not to bed? I'm sorry, he just keep on snoring and I can't sleep! What? You have to yell. You could have just... Oh, I can yell. You know what? Wow, so disrespectful. Man, that was a good sleep. Luigi? Mario, come over here. Now I'm having that bed. Good night, everybody. Oh man.